today's video I will show you how you can make a probability tree and then you can answer the question. So let's see that question here. In dry weather, the probability of the bus being late is 1 over 10. In rainy weather, the probability of the bus being late is 1 over 4. In snowy weather, the probability of the bus being late is 2 over 3. Also, they give us another information. They told us the probability of dry weather is 2 over 4. Then the probability of wet weather is 1 over 5. And then the last one, the probability of snow is 1 over 20. Okay, and A, show this information of the tree diagram. Right, okay, so let's start to our tree diagram. So we just simply divide by 3 like this. So here I'm gonna have my dry weather, here my rainy weather, and here my snowy weather. So now the probability of dry weather, they told me, is 3 over 4. Rainy weather is 1 over 5, and snowy weather is 1 over 20. So what else I have? They told me the bus in the dry weather to be in late is 1 over 10. So that's my dry weather. So late, it's 1 over 10. In a rainy day, to be late, it's 1 over 4. And then in a snow, to be late, it is 2 over 3. Let's calculate how much it's gonna be if it's on time. So in the dry weather, if it's on time, it's gonna be 9 over 10. In a rainy weather, if it's on time, it's gonna be 3 over 4. And then on snow, on time, it's gonna be 1 over 3. Why, for example, it's gonna be, so let's have a look here in the dry weather. So what they told me, if it's late, it's gonna be 1 over 10. So why on time it's gonna be 9 over 10? Because simply you just remove 1 and it's gonna be 10 over 9 over 10. And if we look at that one here, because you know in a fraction 10 is your denominator and that's your whole number before any part is going to be removed. So if I have 10 here, so if I take 1, it's going to be 9. That's why my on time is 9 over 10. And simply here, when 1 over 4 late, if I take away from my 4 1, I'm going to be left 3. That's why it's 3 over 4. Here, from 2 over 3, so my 3 is my whole number, so that's why if I'm taking 1, I have a 2. If I take 1, I'm gonna have a 1 here. That's on time. So that's my A. I answer A. Okay, let's do B. What they ask me, calculate the probability that the weather is dry and the bus is on time. Okay, so what they told me, if the weather is dry, I have 3 over 4, and the bus on time, as we calculate, is going to be 9 over 10. So you multiply with 9 over 10. So 4 times 10, going to be 40, and 3 times 9, going to be 27. So that's your probability, the bus in the dry weather to be on time. And then let's answer C. Calculate the probability that the bus is late. So I need to calculate in a dry weather, rainy weather, snowy, and then I need to plus them. Okay, in the dry weather, what I have 3/4, yeah, that's my dry weather, and I'm multiplying by 1/10 because this is what they told me. If it's late, 10, so I have 3/40, 3/40. This is when if the weather is dry. So let's find now if the weather is rainy, I have 1/5, and if the bus is late, I have 1/4. So we're gonna have a 1 and here 20. So that is a rainy weather. And now let's do if it's snowy, I have 1/20, and to be late I have 2/3. So we're gonna have a 2 and 60 here. So that is the snowy weather. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to plus them. So what I have first, I have this one, 3/40. Then I have rainy weather, 1/20. And then I have 2/60. As you can see, I have different denominators. I need to make it the same denominators. So my common number is going to be 120. To have 120 here, I need to multiply by 3. Here I need to multiply by 6. And here I need to multiply by 2. So we're going to have in all my three numbers 120. So 3 times 3 going to be 9. 3 times 4 going to be 12, and then 1 0. Then 6 times 1, 6. Again 120. And then here I have a 4 and 120. So if I plus it, I'm gonna have 120. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 4, 19. So the probability that the bus is late is 19/120.